Okay, today on Help Me DIY we're going to replace the cabin filter on the BMW M4. The cabin filter is going to be located right under our glove box down here. Alright, we got two 10mm nuts to take off. One is here, one on the other side over there. After it's loosened up, you can reach right in here, finish unscrewing it. That's what they look like. Okay, so other than a couple quick clips that are in the top part of this and one down here in the corner, that's all the hardware that is holding this on. So I start over here at the edge and gently pry that off. All right, one of these quick connects popped out. You can see there's, oops. You can see that there's one over here, and this one right here came out, and there's one more right there. Okay, that's probably enough for right now, so you can see the cigarette lighter adapter is right here. A lot of people don't know that that's even in there, but you have a cigarette power adapter right there. Okay, so we are going to disconnect. All you have to do is lift it straight off, and then in the back you'll see that there's one more connection that you should be able to push down here and wiggle it back, so you get that connection off, and gently move that out of the way. Alright, after that front panel is off, we're going to go all the way under. This right here is the airbag. Not going to mess with that, but instead all the way in the back you can see this plastic piece that is curved. That's what we're going to remove, and it has two T20 screws on it. One is right here and the other is right here. So let's remove those. While I'm taking them off, let me just take a second to remind you, please like this video and subscribe to my channel. It'll help a lot, help me keep the content coming. Okay, after we get those two screws out, there is this plastic tab right here, and if you push it, let's see, if you pull it out away, towards the seat, then you can just, comes unclicked and you can pull this whole assembly down. Okay, this was kind of a pain to figure out. In the very back corner of this thing, there's another tab that you have to pull out to release the bottom, and then this whole thing will fall down. It's attached with like this little flexible hose type thing here, but you don't have to disconnect that. You can just pull that down out of the way and the whole filter just falls out. And we'll pull it out all the way, and to make sure that we have our new one facing the same direction. See if it's marked. Yep, airflow. So we'll mark it like this and stick the new one back up in there. Alright, here's a comparison of the old one and the new one. This one's not terribly dirty. This car has 25,000 miles on it now, so figured it was time for a refresh anyway. Alright, here's a closer look at our dirty one, so you can see that there's a lot of stuff in between each pleat. But installation is just the opposite. So again, please subscribe to my channel. Easy project for you, should take about 15 minutes.